Hello, in front of me I've got UleFhone Note 13P. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass and select your transit way. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. In the end, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.